guys, I'm having kind of a lazy day today. I am making a tuna wrap. I'm making extra. I'm not going to eat 2 cans, so I'm using these cans, this Primal Kitchen Chipotle Lime Mayonnaise, and these tomato wraps. All right, we're going to let these crazy dogs outside. You guys want to go outside? Want to go outside, Stelly? Do you? Okay. Okay, guys, time to sit down. I got another cup of coffee. I'm going to edit these Vlogmas videos, and I'm not going to show you my desk, but it is crazy destroyed. Jillian's going to be home in a week, so I need to start cleaning up my desk and this room so she can sleep in here when she gets home. Just wanted to show you guys that I switched to decaf coffee as the day progresses so I can sleep at night when I'm not working night shift. Okay guys, we're going to do an Amazon unboxing. I am really excited about what's in here. It's something very small but very exciting. Oh, and can we also take a moment to appreciate Amazon's cute holiday packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. You know, it's like a pretty sweater print. Okay, so what I ordered is this little camera remote, and it's so you can take pictures of your family without someone having to take it. Like, you can set your camera up on like a tripod or your video camera, and then you have this, it's uses Bluetooth technology, and then you can snap the picture without actually taking it from the camera. So I'm very excited about this. I watched Nisha Loves It on YouTube, and she has this and loves it, so I thought, what a great idea for the holidays. Okay, I'm watching Vlogmas. Riley, there's a dog over there. You're not going to bark since I have the camera on, are you? Okay, guys, I'm watching Fly with Stella. Love, love, love her. And also, Riley is watching with me, my dog. Does anyone else, does their dog watch television with you? Here's Riley, sitting in the chair like a human. Seriously, she watches the television show. And when Stella's dog, Franny, comes on, she jumps up and runs to the TV and starts barking. I'm sure I can't catch it on camera, but we're going to try. Okay, guys. I got puppy snuggles on my lap here, and I'm also on my Kindle on my phone, and I got a sample of this book, 7 Days of Us. It's a Christmas book. There's the author, so I'm trying to do a little bit more relaxing this holiday season. Working night shift, I thought I might read a little bit, probably not, but you never know. And also, it's snowing outside, so if it sticks, then I will definitely show you. And it's freezing outside too. So 7 Days of Us, a holiday book. I'm going to attempt to read it here. Do you guys read the prologue? I'm always torn as to whether or not I should read this or not. Sometimes I feel like it ruins the book. I don't know. I'm going to read it, but I probably shouldn't. Comment down below if you think I should or not, or if you do. Well, it is definitely snowing. I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, my dogs want to go out there behind me. You can see it on our trampoline. I'm watching A Christmas Prince on Netflix. I love these Netflix made, you know, for Netflix Christmas movies. If you have any Harry Potter fans in your life, I got this off of Amazon. They came out with these new illustrated books. So that would be a great gift for someone. At the grocery store, we're getting some stuff to make some meatballs tonight. My husband's the meatball maker in the family. We're browning our meatballs first. These are mine without the breadcrumbs. And then we're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees. I'm having Alfredo sauce because it's lower carb and higher fat for the keto diet. And Kevin's having traditional red with pasta. I'm just skipping the pasta. I'm just having the meatballs. Okay, here's my meatballs. We keep them separate. And we're going to cook them for about 10 minutes after we browned them at 400. And here's my meatballs. I'm going to add my sauce to it, and that's going to be dinner. I melted some mozzarella cheese on here too, and then I'm going to put the sauce on.